Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Welcome back to Dubai Diaries. Today I'm sharing the review of the Grill Shack with you guys. You can see the name. It's actually a restaurant for its steaks, ribs, and burgers, and it's in Dubai Mall. And I would like to show you how it is. Its menu is there, but I would just be able to show it to you briefly before placing the order. And the area and the seating and the ambience was just okay. It's not just that good, but it's just okay for a small pop-up kind of a thing in Dubai Mall itself. And we already placed our order, and here I wanted to show you that it's besides the ice rink in Dubai Mall. It's in the food court, and you could see people, children, people of every age. They were there on the ice rink and they were skating and enjoying the summers because it's really hot these days. So people tend to come over here for skating and for enjoying themselves. You know, guys, that it's kind of a sport, and it's really enjoyable sport if you know the skating. So I showed you that glimpse of Dave's hot chicken as well. And this is the side where we have all the coffee shops, we have stores, we have stores for shoes and like fit flop runners, etc., etc. So you name it, there are so many outlets on the other side. Like this one, it's the Black Sheep Coffee. I don't have much idea about this because I haven't have had tried this before, but maybe I add it to my list and make sure I go and try it for you guys and share the review. So they have this G-Shock written on so many places in the ice rink itself, and that's why I was trying to zoom in a bit for you guys to show it to you. And I also prepared one shot like this, so that's true another glimpse of this whole area around the ice rink, which you can see from this place where I was at, the Grill Shack. And yeah, the people were just enjoying themselves thoroughly, and I let you see them and enjoy the view as well. And stay tuned, because in the upcoming clips I'll be sharing my review of the food that I had at the Grill Shack, and you can share your feedback in the comment section as well. So guys, this is the steak, and I ordered it with this spicy Mexican sauce. It gives a bit spicy taste to the steak. This is how it is. It is quite flat. That's how they serve it, and it's a bit thinner as compared to the steaks that you have at various places. And I am having their well done steak. So let's give it a try, and then I'll share my feedback with you guys about how it would taste. And we have French fries and then mashed potato on the side with pepper sauce and then the Mexican sauce. So let's give it a try. Let's dive into it, and then I'll share the feedback with you guys of how it tasted like. It seems very scrumptious as of now. It's very loud, so I will try to do a voiceover on it for you guys so that it's much more easier for you to grasp of what I'm mentioning, because it's very loud and noisy over here because of this ice rink that we have on the side. So as you can see, I have almost have had half of it, and it's really good, you guys. Like, a thumbs up. Especially the sauce is very good. The spicy Mexican sauce is very good. It's not that spicy, but it's giving you a hit of a bit of a spice. And then their mashed potatoes, they are very good. It doesn't have any heat, it doesn't have any weird smell that some of the places have with the mashed potato. So I give a 9 out of 10 to their mashed potato and almost 7 out of 10 to their steak if you order it with the spicy Mexican sauce. So that's the review that I wanted to let you know. Once I have tasted it, I'll finish it off and then I'll catch up with you guys with the ending reviews or how the overall experience was at the Grill Shack. I have finished my steak. The steak was good, but they shouldn't serve it in the plate. It should be in some sizzler or something like that, because the plate was constantly, wobbling while I was trying to cut the steak. So the Grill Shack guys, you need to look into this thing if you are watching my video. So that's one of my reviews till now, and stay tuned, you guys. As at the end of every review, I shared the bill with you guys. So guys, this is 189 in total, because the steak was for 155 each, but we utilized application entertainer, on which there is 1+1. Like with one main course, you can get the other main course as free. So we had 2 drinks, 2 steaks, on which they did the subtraction for one of it, and then the total was minus with minus 155 and 189 is the total one. It's on the expensive side, so you can just have it once in a week or maybe once in a month if it's viable for you. So and the restaurant's name is the Grill Shack restaurant. It is in Dubai Mall alongside this ice rink. So I wanted to share this details like I do at the end of every video, at the end of every food review with you guys as well. So it's expensive. The value for money is I'm 50-50. It's like on entertainer. Like if you have such applications, then you can come over here and have the steak. Otherwise, on having it on full, I wouldn't advise you that. So that's my review for now, and just make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries. Here I was roaming around in the Fashion Avenue and I saw the Singer machine sample over here, and it reminded me of the one that my mother and my grandmother have back at home, and it has so much memories attached to it. And see the beauty of all the displays in the Fashion Avenue, they are to die for. And then we have the call of the prayer happening in the next clip, so that's why I would just be on mute myself and I let you hear that, because we tend to respect it a lot and we tend to be quiet during that.